Dear students, today we are studying about the 11th lesson algebraic expression. In the previous class, we had studied about the multiplication of algebraic expression. Here, today we are studying about the division. How can we divide an algebraic expression? And then we know that in exponents we have studied about, what is it, x raised to m divided by x raised to n is equal to x raised to m minus n. You know that is, we can write it as x raised to m divided by x raised to n, that is equal to x raised to m minus n. For example, that is 9 x raised to 9x raised to 5 by 3x raised to 2, that is equal to 9x raised to 5 divided by 3x square, 9x raised to 5 divided by 3x square, and is equal to first divide this numbers, that is the 9 divided by 3, and then next one it is x raised to 5 divided by x square, and variables, that is x raised to 5 divided by x square, that is equal to 9. What is 9 divided by 3? Yes, 9. 3 3s are 9, that is 3, and x raised to 5 minus, that is x raised to 2, that is equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3. X raised to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, that is 3x cube. That is the answer, that is 9x raised to 5 divided by 3x square is equal to, first divide these numbers, that is 9 by 3, and then after that is the variables, that is x raised to 5 by x square, that is x raised to 5 minus 2, that is 3x raised to 3 is the answer. Next, how can we divide a monomial by a monomial? How can we divide a monomial expression by a monomial? That is, here it is a monomial. What is a monomial? Monomial means a single term, that is 36 a raised to 7 by minus 12 a raised to 3. 36 a raised to 7 by minus 12 a raised to 3. That is, I said in the previous example, that is 36, we can write it as 36 a raised to 7 divided by minus 12 a cube, that is equal to 36 a raised to 7 divided by minus 12 a raised to 3, that is equal to, we can write first 36 by minus 12, and then after that a raised to 7 by a raised to 3. A raised to 7 by a raised to 3, that is equal to 36 by 12 is equal to 3 minus 3. 36 divided by minus 12, that is minus 3. A raised to 7 minus 3. A raised to 7 by a raised to 3 is equal to a raised to 7. Subtracting the exponent, that is equal the raised to the powers, that is 3. That is minus 3 a raised to 4, minus 3 a raised to 4. That is dividing this. Here we can divide it with the 36 by minus 12 first, and then after that the variables, a raised to 7 by a raised to 3. We know that a raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n, that is minus 3 a raised to 7 minus 3, that is minus 3 a raised to 4. Next, here second method, that is dividing a polynomial by a monomial. Dividing a polynomial by a monomial. What is a polynomial? Polynomial means that is with the 2 or more terms. An expression with 2 or more terms is called a polynomial. And there is, here it is a polynomial, that is there are 2 terms here, and here it is a single term, that is a monomial, and here it is a polynomial. How can we divide this? That is 9a raised to 5 minus 6a square divided by 3a square. 9a raised to 5 minus 6a square divided by 3a square, that is equal to, we can write it as in a by b form, that is a raised to 5 minus 6a square divided by 3a square. 3a square, that is equal to 9a square, that is first, that is we can write, that is a raised to 5 by this term, that is 3a square, and then minus 6a square divided by 3a square. That is separating this to the 2 terms, that is 9 is a raised to 5 by 3a square minus 6a square divided by 3a square. Then dividing this, that is 9a, that is we can divide it by 3. this 3, and then a raised to 5 minus 2, and then here it is 6 by 3 is equal to 2, a raised to 2 minus 2, that is equal to 3 a raised to 3. 3a cube minus, then here it is 2a raised to 0. We know that any number or variable raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. That is, we can write a raised to 3 minus 2a raised to 0 is equal to 1. That is 2 into 1 is equal to 2. That means what is it? A raised to 0 is equal to 1. A raised to 0 is equal to any number or variable raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. That is 2a raised to 0 is equal to 2 into 1. That is 2. This is the answer. 3a raised to 3. 3a cube minus 2. That is the answer of this a polynomial by a monomial. Here, then third method, that is dividing a polynomial by a polynomial. Dividing, this is a polynomial that is with the three terms, 8x square plus 18xy minus 45y square divided by 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y. There are some steps to find the answer of this polynomial. That is, first we can write it as 8x square plus 18xy minus 45y square divided by, that is 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y, that is 8x square plus 18xy minus 45y square in the form of division, that is divided by 2x minus 3y. First, you should arrange this polynomial in ascending or descending order. First you arrange this in ascending or descending order. After that, take the first one. First one is 8x square. The first term, that is 8x square. Divide this 8x square by the first, that is 2x. That is the 8x square by the first term of this divisor, that is 8x square divided by 2x. What is it? 8x square divided by 2x, that is equal to 4x. 2x, that is 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, that is here it is 1. 8x square by 2x raised to 1, that is 8 divided by 2 is 4, and x raised to 2 minus 1 is equal to x, that is 4x. 4x, that is the 8x square divided by 2x is equal to 4x. After that, multiply this 4x to this whole term. Multiply with this 4x to the whole term, that is 4x into 2x is equal to 8x square. 4x into 2x is equal to 4 into 2 is 8 and x into x is equal to x square. And after that, 4x into minus 3y, that is equal to 4 into minus 3 is 12 x into y. After that, subtract this, that is subtract, while subtracting, that is changing the signs, that is here it is 0, and after that it is 8 plus 2, that is equal to 30xy. 30xy, that is changing the signs, that is sign, that is plus, here it is plus, that is 18 plus 12 is equal to 30xy. And then taking the last term to downwards, that is 45y square. 45y square. After that, again 30xy, the first term, divided by 2x. 30xy divided by 30xy divided by 2x, that is this 30 by 2 is 15, cancelling this x, that is 15y. 15y, that is here minus, that is 30 divided by 2 is equal to plus, that is plus 15y. And after that multiplying this 15y into the whole, that is with this whole term, that is 2x minus 3y, that is 15 into 2x is equal to 15 into 2x is equal to 30xy. And then after that, 15 into minus 3y is equal to 15 into minus 3 is equal to minus 45 y into y square. Y into y square. And after that, it is changing the, that is subtracting, that is changing the signs, we get 0. That is, the answer is 4x plus 15y. 4x plus 15y. Okay, I repeat once again. First write this in the ascending or descending order, and after that first you divide this first term 8x square by the first term of the divisor, that is 2x, that is we get 4x. That is 8x square divided by 2x is equal to 4x. After that, multiplying this 2x minus 3y into 4x, that is 4x into 2x is equal to 8x square, plus 4x into minus 3y is equal to minus 12xy. And then changing that is subtracting, we get this cancels, that is we get 0, and then 18 plus 12 is equal to 30xy minus, that is put down the right here the minus 45y square. And after that again divide this first term 30xy by 2x, the first term, that is 2x is equal to 30xy by 2x is equal to 15 plus 15, and then after that multiplying this 15y into this term, that is 2x minus 3y, that is equal to 30xy minus 45y square. Changing the symbols, that is here it is plus and this is minus. Changing the symbol, we get, that is subtracting, we get this minus, and this is also plus, and then we get 0. This is the answer of this is equal to 4x plus 15y. This is the process of dividing a polynomial by a polynomial. Here there is another question, that is 12x square plus 7xy minus 12y square divided by 3x plus 4y. That is 12x square plus 7xy minus 12y square divided by 3x plus 4y. First, that is dividing this 12x square, first term of this dividend, that is 12x square divided by 3x, that is we get 12x square by 3x is equal to 12x square divided by 3x, that is 12 by 3 is equal to 4, and x square minus, that is x raised to 2 minus 1, that is equal to x, that is 4x. And after that multiplying this 4x by the whole that term, that is 4x into 3x plus 4y. 4x into 3x plus 4y, that is 12x square plus 16xy. 12x square plus 16, that is 4 3s are 12, 12x square into x is x square, and then 4 into 4 is 16, and x into y is equal to xy. And then subtracting, we get that is equal to this sign changes minus, and here it is again changes, that is 16, that is this is 0, and here it is equal to 9xy minus 9xy, and then put down this 12y square, 9xy minus 12y square, 9xy minus 12y square, that is equal to, here it is minus, and then after that dividing this 9x minus 9xy by 3, minus 9xy divided by 3x, that is equal to minus 9 divided by 3 is equal to minus 3, and xy divided by x is equal to y, minus 3y, that is equal to minus 3y, and after that dividing this minus 3y into 3x plus 4y, that is equal to minus 3 3s are 9, that is minus 9x into y, xy, and then minus 12y square, and then after that subtracting this, the sign changes, that is plus, and this is again plus, that is here it is 0, and this is also 0, and the answer is 4x minus 3y. I will repeat, that is first divide this 12x square divided by 3, that is equal to 4x, and after that 4x multiplying with the 3x plus 4y, writing here, that is 12x square plus 16xy, after that subtracting, then the sign changes, and after that we get minus 9xy, and then dividing this minus 9xy by 3x, we get minus 3y. And then after that minus 3y multiplying with 3x plus 4y, that is equal to that is put down this minus 12y square, and after that multiply, that is minus 3 into minus 3, minus 3 into 3, that is 9xy, minus 3y into 4y, that is 12y square. And then subtracting, the sign changes, we get 0, and the answer is 4x minus 3y. Okay, hope you understood the division of the algebraic expression. See you in the next class.